Hello everyone. Today's talk I'm going to give you a full detailed information about CA Foundation course. The CA Foundation course it is going to conduct by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICAI. This is national level test. So if you see the CA Foundation course syllabus, it has changed a lot. Under this new scheme of education and training, ICAI, the foundation course has many changes. Earlier it was having only the objective type. Now it is objective and descriptive mode of examination. This new syllabus is considered to be more competitive and hard as compared to the old syllabus. But don't worry, I'll give you the total details so that you can prepare according to that. Now, if you see the details, the conduction of the frequency is twice a year. Yearly twice you can write the CA foundation course. Generally in the month of May or June, and second time it will be in the month of November. So 2 times they are conducting the exam, and this mode of registration will be online, and duration is 3 hours for each paper, and you need to write total number of papers, 4 papers. 4 papers, each paper will be 3 hours, and negative marks will be there. This is specially only for paper 3 and 4. 1/4 negative mark means 0.25 negative mark. Paper 1 and 2 no negative mark. And if you see the eligibility, anyone class 12th passed students are eligible to enter into the CA foundation course. But remember, exemption is given for the students who have completed their graduation or post graduation, and 12th passed or 12th appearing students also they can go for CA foundation. Graduates, post graduates, anyway they don't have to go for CA foundation, directly they can register under the ICAI. Now coming to the next information is here. CA foundation registration fee will be generally 10,900. And documents what you need to take is passport size photograph and 10th class standard 10th standard mark sheet and 12th admission card. And also you can just go for this CA foundation syllabus. I'm giving you detailed syllabus of this CA foundation. So one is paper 1, principles and practice of accounting, this is 100 marks. Paper 2, business law and business correspondence and report writing, this is business law 60 marks, business correspondence and report writing 40 marks. Paper 3 is business mathematics, this is 40 marks, and logical reasoning is 20 marks, statistics 40 marks. And paper 4, it is business economics 60 marks and business commercial knowledge 40 marks. And if you want to see the detailed information of this syllabus, I'm giving you paper 1. This is principles and practice of accounting. So you can see the entire syllabus. You can just pause the video and you can go ahead. It is mainly considered as accounting paper, you can say, like basics of accounting is there, and also rectification of errors, bank reconciliation statement, inventories, accounting of depreciation is there, and also bills of exchange, consignments, average due date, so partnership, sole proprietor, and financial statements, and of non-profit organizations means non-trading organizations, and also introduction to the company accounts. So this is the syllabus of the first paper. And second paper is business law and business correspondence and reporting. So in this paper you'll find all of business law related syllabus, Indian Contract Act, sale of goods, Indian Partnership Act, and liabilities of Partnership Act, Companies Act. So this is already I have covered in one of my channel. So that is Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So entire syllabus whatever I have covered, that link is given in the description box. You can just check it out. And business correspondence and reporting. So this is also to some extent I have already covered this syllabus. So that links are given in the description box. And communication is here, basics of communication, and also sentences types. And also you can see here types of sentences, direct, indirect speech, Maximum all basics of English has covered here. Active passive voice and vocabulary roots words. Comprehensive passage is also given. Comprehensive passage, note making, and developing writing skills. Here, introduction of basic writing, précis writing, article writing, and report writing is there. And also writing of formal letters, writing formal mails, resume writing, meetings. Few topics I have already covered. You can check it out in the description box. Links are given. And third paper is it's about business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics. So here mainly business mathematics is covering 40 marks. In business mathematics, you can see the syllabus, pause and can just go ahead. Ratio, proportion, equations and matrices, linear inequalities and objection functions, time value of money, and permutations and combinations, sequence and series, sets, relations, functions, basic applications, and differential and integral calculus. This is there. And part B is logical reasoning. This is 20 marks. So they are asking about number series, coding, decoding, and odd man out, direction tests, seating arrangements, blood relations, and syllogism. Part C in the second or third paper only. So you can see here statistics. Statistics main parts they are asking about statistics description of data, measurement of central tendency, distribution, probability, theoretical distributions, correlation, regression, index numbers. Out of this, the first chapter and the second one measures of central tendency, and the fifth one correlation, regression, index numbers. This is already I have taught in Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. That links are given in the description box. You can just check it out. And coming to the fourth paper, business economics and business and commercial knowledge. Here business economics is covering around 60 marks. Business economics, almost all the chapters I have covered. So this syllabus is there in the description box, Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. All the video links you can just go ahead. So if you see the syllabus, introduction to business economics, theory of demand and supply, theory of production and cost, price determination of different markets, business cycles, and also you can just go for part 2, business and commercial knowledge. So this is also having around 6 chapters. So this is the entire syllabus of this CA foundation course. And also let me tell you very clearly, financial accounting, that is the first paper. Almost 90 to 95% syllabus I have covered in the channel, commerce channel. So that link's also given in the description box. Please go ahead, and you must remember one thing. The CA foundation courses, especially only yearly twice they'll be conducting. And pass marks, how much is the pass marks are needed is here 50% aggregate marks in all subjects compulsory. It's not that in one subject you have crossed 50%, another subject not. It is not possible. So each and every paper, means all the 4 papers we have to cover 50% aggregate marks minimum. Then only you will be eligible to complete the CA foundation. And CA foundation, this coaching will be, you can take coaching of 4 months after registration. Registration, how you can do is, it is given in the website, ICAI website. You can just go ahead and register yourself and start preparing seriously along with intermediate course. So that would be easy for you to understand, and at the same time inter completed and also CA foundation also you are preparing together. So after completion of inter without degree, no need of degree or PG, directly you can enter into CA. If you focus seriously for 4 years, you can complete this CA, but it all depends on your commitment and seriousness of preparation. So please go ahead. I wish you all the best. Any kind of doubts, you can write it in the description box. I'll be very happy to answer your queries. So take care, good luck, and have a wonderful career.